project that I haven't been able to touch. Life, work, family, so on. Found this fine gentleman over here to offer a service that I couldn't find anywhere else. And I'm about to see something that I hope and I know is better than what I can imagine. So here we go. Oh my, no. I might actually cry just a little bit. What the heck?
We tried to take some care with it because I know it's a special project to you.
Wow.
And here's your other plate. I couldn't get right in
No,
here.
no, that's fine. That's all getting machined, but wow.
She's got some
Some
fitting.
Yeah.
So you're happy with that?
Happy. I don't. Oh, wow. Hold on. I gotta get my footing a little.
That's good.
Wow. Like 20 out of 10 for sure. Oh my God. I don't think I've ever seen a motor block that clean.
Like I said to you on the phone, getting the beam inside is almost impossible.
Yeah. Wow.
So needless to say, you're happy.
Yeah, that's an understatement. That's definitely an understatement.
Here, I'll take that for you.
Wow.
Thank you, Peter. We'll help you load it in the car,
Perfect.
and you know where to come.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much.